You can't get any more centrally located than this with the BART coming right here. What happened? A plane? A plane's where? Oh, hold on. Come on in to our beautiful hotel, Grand Corner Suite at the SFO Grand Hyatt. Look at the train, takes you straight to the terminal. And this is just the front room area that we have here for the kids. It looks like they gave us an extra bed. But as we walk into the master, we have the floor-to-ceiling windows, and check out the airplane views from this bedroom. My goodness, check it out. They even gave us this little back massager. If you want to keep it, it's $45 though. And you can even see the planes landing and taking off straight from the airport. Man, if you're a plane spotter, this is your spot. Oh my goodness, just right here, right up next to the... You can just watch this all day, straight from the hotel room. And the kids absolutely loved it. The customer service here is fantastic. Sleeping on that bed felt like sleeping on a cloud. That cabinet right there, a lot of goodies, and another view of the front room area. Now we're gonna go into the bathroom, which is really pretty as well. We have the sitting area, double sinks, granite countertops, a little bit of Chardonnay, but they have it downstairs as well, fully stocked 24 hours. My goodness, more planes coming up. They just keep on coming. And you can watch them from the bathtub too. It's just, I mean, this is Instagrammable, this is everything. Little quirks here, the scale saying, you look good, I like that. Positive messages, I love that. So, panning out to the bathroom again, one of my other favorite things. Look at that toilet, it actually greets you. And look at robotic, that's how it flushes. Beautiful place, top 10.